friends, welcome back to channel's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make Chatpatti Pakoras, and that is also with besan, and it will be very nice for tea in the evening. So please, if you like my channel, subscribe, share and comment. I have taken 3 to 4 onions, finely chopped, 1 bowl of besan, cumin seeds, chilies, green chilies cut up small pieces, garlic chopped up small pieces, half teaspoon baking powder, salt to taste, put some water and mix the besan and the onions, chilies, pakora mixture is completed. Refine oil to deep fry the pakoris. Oil is turned hot. After it's cooked nicely, and the color also is nice, golden brown color, then take it out from the oil. Now can serve it with sauce, ketchup, pakori. Snacks are ready.